Fear of failure is good. Fear of failure will keep you up at night, planning and rehearsing and going over contingencies. Fear of failure will keep you training hard.
What's going on, guys? Back with another banger video. I want to show y'all how I was giving out free plays today and how absolutely crazy the market went and how we killed it with these puts and calls. So first and foremost, what happened today and how did we kind of see this huge V-shaped kind of move happen in the market? So first, I'm going to kind of go over my thoughts. Second, I'm going to go over the highlight of the trades. And the third, just kind of give you more of what I'm thinking going into the rest of the week and or maybe in the next week or two, how things are going to go. So pretty much V-shaped recovery here. Now, I said this yesterday on the main Twitter. I said I know a lot of people were very bullish going into CPI as, we did gap up Monday. We're up Tuesday, going a little bit higher into Wednesday. I told everyone, look, I know y'all are bullish, but we have gaps below, and you can kind of see the gray area right here where we still have some of that gap on SPY. We have gaps below that we need to come fill before anything else. I don't feel comfortable with playing calls up here, knowing we have these gaps down here. So as we opened up inside of this 548 for SPY, I kind of just watched how price action was. Pre-market, QQQ was up about $1.30. SPY was barely even up a few cents, 20 cents maybe. So I could tell right then and there, SPY was lagging, and SPY was very close to this gap down here. I mean, not very close, but I mean, $8 move down. I knew that if we ended up losing 543, we would come close that gap down to 540, and that's exactly what we did with the team. So at very open, as we lost this 548 level, I slammed 545 puts for like $89 for the members, $85. We slammed them right here, and as we dumped all the way down, these puts ran all the way till I think $300 a contract. We were all out at our first target at 544, 543. From there, I was pretty certain that we were gonna come close this gap. So I not only sold, but just in case buyer stepped in and bounced us, we sold out our first target. I waited till we ended up losing, and there were no buyers in sight. So okay, I told the team, take your profit here. If you want to keep holding on those, that's fine, but I'm going to roll down. Now, this is where I gave the free play out. So I know a lot of people on my main Twitter follow my see this, that's how much I made on the 545 puts. They follow my free plays, right? Now, I don't know if they think I'm just giving this out just for them or if this is a random play. Here you go. No, this is a play that my members are getting. You guys are just tagging along. You guys are just getting the free play with us. You're welcome kind of thing. So right here is where we I already knew. We slammed right here knowing that if we lose this, which is the 543 kind of level of demand, bottom of that demand. If we lost that, I knew we would come fill that gap straight down below, and that's exactly what we did. So slammed it right there, and it worked. I mean, immediately. Look at that, just immediately working in our favor, and it was quick. I want to show y'all a little bit of kind of my timeline and what was happening right there, and I can show you as well my fills for that exact play too, and it's right here from $99 to 160, right? So I alerted it, free play right here, 541 put. I knew that we would come down to the 540 area if we lost 543, so these would go in the money. I went 541 there, perfectly priced, got them for $1 right there, and look at that, filled at 10:10 Eastern time, and then 10:14, almost five minutes later, these are at 160 plus, dumped. I mean, the move went completely in our favor, and these ran to 196 plus, 200 plus. So I sold a little early, but it was all good because I knew I was a little hesitant. We were selling off really hard. Q was fighting us the whole way, so I knew that if we dropped to these demands and we didn't fill these gaps, we would get at least a little bit of a pump up. bounce up, and then possibly look for a rejection to come down and eat the rest of these gaps. Now that did not happen. Buyers stepped in at the 540, 539 Regal cap zone right there. We tried eating the rest of the gap. We still have a little bit more right there. And as you can see, we just rocketed all the way up. Most times I'm running into these demands and playing the bounce right here where we opened up above it. Notice how the selling stopped. We opened up above the zone after we got inside of it. I would have played calls there. Essentially catching almost the bottom, but I didn't. I think I was pretty already kind of shook up on the 2 sets of puts, especially on the first round, because as down here, the first round of puts, the 545s went to 500 a contract plus. So it was, $85 all the way down to 500. It was crazy. I was shaking. I can't lie, the nerves get to me sometimes, but I kept it cool and we killed it. I alerted the 541s for the team and everyone else, and look at that. 2 minutes for me entry, he got at 95, so a better entry than mine, out at 159. Best of best. People were loving this. People were tailing, money getting thrown around. We absolutely killed it, right? So moving on to my second play. I knew QQ was a lot stronger than SPY. And so I waited until we got all the way V-shaped up back above to 461, 460. I wanted to see if we'd be able to take out 465. So we got up about right here. We got above 461 and I ended up slamming those calls. I actually slammed the 467 calls. I wanted to just right here, and I wanted to see if we would come and hit 465. That was just my game plan. Told everyone that was the free play as well. Like I said, 467 call tomorrow date. Got it for 120. Target is 465 above. And that's all I was targeting right here. Now, obviously, it ran very hard. And these calls ran, check this out, from 120 all the way to 322. So over 200%. We absolutely killed it in just a small little move, just like this. Just that right there. Big move, big, nice. We had to wait for it, stay patient. Sure. I needed to make sure bulls were really serious about this, and we got that nice push up. And that's, target acquired at 465. I was sold all out there. And I know a lot of people held longer, did their thing. Doesn't matter. I wait for my target, and I'm all out at my target. I don't care if it keeps going higher, lower, whatever. I have to have a set target, and I need to be all out when it happens. So beautiful plays for free given out today on the main Twitter. Follow me on Rico Capital main Twitter. Sign up for my services if you want my personal trades. $50 a month gets you there. Free Discord. Join the Discord. Just click the link, gets you into the Discord. Talk, chat with us. We're giving out plays there as well. So sign up for the mentorship. If you want to learn how to make these levels and trade just like me, I will show you. I got a month, one time, bi-weekly. Sign up, voice live. I do live trading Mondays and Tuesdays, and they're always fun. I'll be doing this live, and members have fun listening to me and banking with me. So we have a really good time. So just want to give you all the highlight of those banger trades today and what I saw and how it wasn't random. I know what I'm doing, obviously. My zone's working perfectly, and how you guys can get them for yourself. Learn from me, and if not, just tap in, engage on the main Twitter, and I'll see you guys on the next play.